Okay, so I'm gonna make a quick shrimp and avocado salad with lettuce from my veggie pods. I'm super excited. Let's see how beautiful this lettuce has turned out. Whoa, so excited. So I pick around the edges on the bottom so it has a chance to regrow, and these keep regrowing because of the veggie pods. So I only need a little, and I'm just picking from the bottom. All right, now we're gonna go in and let's make this shrimp avocado easy breezy salad. Welcome back to Allie in the Valley. I'm Allison Ball-Kilmer, and for today, I'm gonna do a really great, simple, perfect spring or summer salad, which is a citrus shrimp avocado salad with beautiful leafy greens that came from my garden, but you can just use any type of lettuce you want. And let me show you how we get started. First things first, our ingredients are shrimp, toasted almonds, avocado. You could either use shallots or garlic, some lemon or oranges, lettuce, olive oil, all mixed up together to make a very easy, simple, great, yummy salad. So let's get started. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna toast these almonds because I want them toasty. If you're allergic to nuts, don't put nuts in it. Okay, so let's go over to the stove and do that right quick. All right, first things first, I'm gonna toast our almonds. And this is about 1/4 of a cup of almonds. I put some olive oil in there, and we're just gonna cook them up a little bit. I hope everyone is doing well out there and staying safe. And then once I cook these up, I'm gonna cook the shrimp in the same pan. And the shrimp, I've already seasoned with the essence, my essence seasoning that you get on my site. So those will be next. And then after that, we'll just cut everything up and make a great, easy, breezy, simple salad with citrus and shrimp and toasted almonds and beautiful lettuce with some avocado, and make our own dressing, and dinner's on the table or lunches on the table or whatever you prefer. That's really about it. Okay, so let's let these cook, and then we'll be right back. So now you can see the little smokiness that these are being toasted come off the skillet, so you know they're cooking. So we're just gonna lightly toss them. We don't want them burning or anything, so it's a good like 2-3 minutes, and then they're ready. Like now. Okay, I'm gonna turn the fire off for now. Get these out of here. See all that smoke? I didn't put on my vent. I'm gonna put my vent on just because I didn't want it to be noisy. But all right, these are toasted. Smell good. I need smell TV. Yes, I do. And I'm going to use the same skillet to do the shrimp in. All right. I'm going to move these over here so we'll have them for later. And I'm going to wipe my pan out. Put a little bit more olive oil in. about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Turn this off so you don't have to hear all that. I am going to put a little bit more seasoning on the shrimp. Because you know here at Allie in the Valley, I like it seasoned. And cook our shrimp up. And once we cook our shrimp up, I'll take it back over and we'll put the whole salad together. What is this, like 15-minute recipe? Okay, that's what we need. Sometimes at night, we don't want to do all the cooking, right? All right, but where's my wine? All right. Cheers. I am drinking a Pinot Grigio tonight, and it's delicious. All right, let's turn this back up a little bit. And you really want your shrimp, see that color? Yes. I mean, if I had some, I'm shooting myself as usual this time again, but usually I'd have somebody over me shooting me. I haven't gotten that technical yet on my own, so bear with me. Now I'm just putting lemon juice. You can use lemon or orange juice, whichever you prefer. I think I'm gonna use a little bit of both though. Garlic. You can use shallots or garlic. And this is just 1 clove of garlic. Normally I would put like a lot of cloves of garlic, but you know, I cook with a lot of garlic. All right, basically these shrimps are done. Yum. And the key to this whole recipe for me and my dressing is the sauce from the shrimp. I'm gonna use that as part of my dressing. So that is gonna be added in with everything as part of the dressing sauce. That's right. And I'm gonna pour a little wine in here too. Just to get all the parts off, get all the shrimp particles that are stuck on the pan. Yeah. Okay, all right. These shrimps are really good. I want to get the pan parts too. Shrimp's done. See? Yum. I'm so hungry. I love cooking. You can tell, right? Shrimp, avocado, citrus shrimp avocado salad. All right, I'm just gonna put the shrimp in this salad bowl and get all the pieces off. All the stuff out of the bottom of the pan. That's part of my dressing. That's right, baby. Okay, I'm gonna take it back. All right, it's time to make the salad. So the shrimp's here. I'm gonna put that to the side right now. I'm so hungry. Avocados, you know, are right there. My toasted almonds. But I'm gonna cut the lettuce. These beautiful lettuce that I got from my garden. This beautiful romaine red lettuce. Oh, so delicious. There's nothing like fresh vegetables from your garden. They don't even taste like store-bought. They really don't. It tastes so much better. And if you don't have the room to grow your own lettuce, you can always do parsley or cilantro or lavender or your own rosemary, which are really easy to grow in pots, and just add them to your meals. They'll change the game for everything you're doing. You know, like I just use herbs, fresh herbs from my garden, and it just changes everything. Okay, so you can add more lettuce if you want. I am just me. And and maybe my husband, my kids already ate. So let's see where you can see this. Okay, right there, there's the shrimp. Now I'm adding the lettuce. Boom, ba-doom, 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 ba-doom. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna put a little olive oil. You can use a citrus olive oil, any kind of olive oil you have. I actually ran out of citrus olive oil because of what's going on right now, so I am using a basil olive oil. I have olive oil delivered. One of my clients had olive oil delivered to me as a gift, which I absolutely love. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on here on the lettuce, okay? And then I am going to add the toasted almonds. Like I said, if you can't eat nuts, don't put nuts, right? I think you know that already. Then we're gonna add some avocado, and I've already cut up that avocado. Let's cut the other one. And we're gonna add some citrus, some salt and pepper, and our salad will be done. How easy is this? All right, there's no reason not to eat healthy. I need to get my lemon squeezer. Now, you could do shallots too. I cooked the garlic because I didn't have shallots right now because I hadn't been to the store that much like normal. And all my little specialty stores aren't open. Ooh, that's a lot. Okay, good. Okay, now let me get a fork to mix it all up. Oh my God, this is beautiful. I need smell TV. How long have I been saying that? That's gonna be my joke forever. And then when I have smell TV, you're gonna be like, she was saying all that. All right, this is just a perfect, oh my God, warm, yummy salad. Let's put some salt and pepper. I don't need that much salt. You really don't need that much salt because of the lemon juice. But I'll put a little bit. Okay, salt. And then I have pepper in here. I didn't have finely pepper, my the really thin, finely chopped up pepper because I ran out. So I just had the bigger pieces and they were just too big for a salad. So I'm gonna just not grind these up. There you go. I need to do some shopping things. Like we all do. It's like going to the stores is such a struggle now. You have to wait in line and you gotta go only when you really need all the stuff. Okay, let's taste this. Let's see if I need anything else. Any more citrus? Let's see. Nice big shrimp. Okay, let me see if I can get this all in my mouth and still look decent. Oh my God. That's bomb. Don't put too much salt on there. The lemon juice gives you enough salt content, just a little. And then if you use my essence, it has salt in it. I almost over salted the salad. But I'm gonna eat this by myself. No, I'm joking. I'll give my husband some. I just want to get some avocado, an almond. So easy, so perfect. Really, really good. Do you know where to get the recipe? AllieInTheValley.com. If you like this video, hit the like button. And here's to a citrus, shrimp, avocado salad that you can get on the table in less than 15 minutes. Cheers. I'll see you on the next Allie in the Valley.